Our Project Thanks story tonight shows us how local community groups throughout the country spent Mother's Day feeding local healthcare heroes. Parents at St. Thomas the Apostle School in San Francisco's Richmond district are keeping frontline healthcare workers well nourished through this pandemic. They've raised thousands to deliver meals to medical workers throughout the city. Today, meals went to the nurses at St. Mary's Medical Center. The school teamed up with Eat Americana on Balboa Street to cook up hundreds of delicious Mother's Day meals.
This is my wonderful crew. They have been wake up very early in the morning and they're working real hard. They put their soul into the food. Hope everyone have this food. They can have the love.
The group has raised money to cater meals for staff at the VA, St. Francis, and California Pacific medical centers. And when we invite you to join Better Bay Area Project Thanks and share your gratitude for everyone on the front lines of the COVID-19 battle, use the hashtag Better Bay Area to show us how you're saying thank you, and we will share the love.